Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So we have another Ameritron Al80a in for repair. I'm going to go through it and fix it. So this coil right here wasn't secured. I have a temporary cap nut in. So it's flopping up and down. Actually snapped the band switch in half. Aggressively shorting one. So I'm going to replace that wafer, and I have another wafer. This one's damaged, contacts are damaged. I'll show you after. The middle one's okay. Let me take care of that. Put the gas discharge tubes in, series glitch resistor in, clean all the contacts and everything that can be cleaned. You know, the band switches, the TR/bias relay, and needs new meter lamps, so I have to order those. And that's about it. So I will see you guys in a bit. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119, also HardbachElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So I'm back with the completed Al80a. Customer wanted a video of it working on 20 meters. I still need to replace the meter lamps, but I had to order those, but rest is done. I'll put them in when they get here. So, let's see. Everything here. Radio is set to roughly audio hello, about 100 watts, maybe 90 something. 1 kW slug, it's on PEP. Go ahead, audio hello, hello, 1 kW, 1 kW, 1 kW. Shh, shh, shh. Hello, hello, shh, hello, hello. Audio. Audio, hello, tit 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 tit. Audio, tit 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 tit. Tit 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 tit. Audio, hello, 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 hello. Actually, a little over 1 kW. Tit 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 tit. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Works as it should. Okay, so I'll let the tube cool off for a second and show you the inside. Stay tuned. I'm back with the inside of the Al80a. Show you everything I did. Fix the band switch assembly. So I had to take the old one apart. The middle portion was okay. Here's the one bad portion. And this one had been snapped in half. So that's all set. Air variable capacitors were good. Added the gas discharge tubes. Tightened up on hardware. Added the series glitch resistor. New SO239s from Max Gain Systems. This is getting a brand new Pentalab tube. The original one, let's see, the anode structure was shifted to the side. Work on some of the amps. I had to look at the tube that came out of this one. There's 10 amp fuses in it. Didn't come with fuses, so I put the proper fuses in. 10 amp fast flow. Replaced the bleeder/equalization resistors and also the capacitors. This is a weird problem. So I went to try it with the original caps, key it, and transformer the pitch would change, and then after I would unkey it, after a certain amount of seconds, it would come back to the, like consistent noise level. So weird. So something was going on with caps. So anyway, I swapped them all out. That issue went away. Zener was good. Cleaned the TR/bias relay with deoxygold. The band switch assembly, deoxygold. And that's about it. Replaced the high voltage wire between the plate choke and the board over here because it wasn't long enough, and I put a new piece in to go to the rectifier assembly. I mean to the, not the rectifier, to the filter cap board. So the DC voltage, not AC. And that's it. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. Websites are AmpRepairGuy.com and also HardbachElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. 73.